Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Foldable Scooter is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in personal mobility, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience for individuals who need a little extra support navigating their world. Imagine effortlessly gliding through your neighborhood, running errands, or visiting friends without the burden of a heavy, cumbersome device. This innovative scooter is designed to be lightweight and easily foldable, transforming from a reliable mode of transport into a compact package that can be stored in a car trunk, on public transport, or even in a small apartment. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about reclaiming your independence and enjoying life's adventures with ease and confidence. Number 5. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Discover unparalleled freedom and independence with our latest mobility scooter. Designed for comfort and reliability, it's your perfect companion for everyday adventures. Navigate your world with ease. This electric-powered device offers a smooth and stable ride, allowing you to travel further and enjoy more. Don't let its compact size fool you. This scooter is built for durability and heavy-duty performance, making it ideal for both travel and daily use. Specifically engineered to support adults and the elderly, it provides a secure and comfortable seating experience for extended periods. Explore without limits thanks to its long-range power and extended battery life. Enjoy worry-free journeys with the included charger and convenient basket. Experience the difference that thoughtful design and powerful performance can make. It's more than just a scooter, it's your key to a more active and fulfilling life. What we like. This model offers superior stability with its four-wheel design, making it a robust choice for everyday use. It boasts a heavy-duty capacity, ensuring reliability for various users. If you prioritize a stable and dependable ride for general mobility needs, this is an excellent option. What people say. This scooter is incredibly lightweight and folds up easily, making it perfect for travel. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. It's very maneuverable and handles well, even in tight spaces. Number 4. SuperHandy Passport Mobility Scooter. Introducing the SuperHandy Passport Mobility Scooter, designed for ultimate convenience and freedom. Experience effortless travel with this innovative mobility solution. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store. This scooter is airline travel friendly, allowing you to take your independence wherever you go. Enjoy a stable and smooth ride with its three-wheel configuration. Navigate your surroundings with confidence and ease. With a 13-mile range on a single charge, you can go further than ever before. It comes equipped with 2 removable lithium-ion batteries for extended use. This scooter supports up to 275 pounds, offering reliable performance for a wide range of users. It's built to last and designed for your comfort. The package includes everything you need, including the scooter, 2 batteries, and a charger. Get ready to explore with your new travel companion. What we like. Experience exceptional maneuverability with its 3-wheel configuration, perfect for navigating tighter spaces. It's designed to be airline travel friendly, offering freedom for travelers. If you're a frequent flyer or need a nimble scooter for varied environments, this one is a great fit. What people say. It is very lightweight and easy to fold. The scooter is perfect for travel and fits easily in the trunk of my car. I love how compact it is when folded, making it easy to store. Number 3. Aotedor Ultra Lightweight Mobility Scooter. Discover ultimate freedom with the Aotedor Ultra Lightweight Mobility Scooter. Designed for adults, it offers unparalleled portability and ease of use. Weighing just 36 pounds, this foldable electric scooter is incredibly easy to carry. Yet, it packs a powerful punch for your daily travels. Equipped with dual lithium batteries, you can travel up to 22 miles on a single charge. Enjoy longer excursions without worry. Its foldable design makes it the perfect travel companion. Take it with you wherever you go, from local errands to distant adventures. This scooter is thoughtfully designed for seniors, providing a safe and comfortable ride. Plus, it's airline approved, making travel a breeze. Regain your independence and explore the world with confidence. This mobility scooter is your key to a more active and fulfilling life. What we like. This scooter stands out with its ultra-lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to transport. It offers an impressive range, powered by dual lithium batteries, ensuring you can go further on a single charge. If portability and extended travel distance are your top priorities, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is very light and easy to fold and unfold. The scooter is very stable and easy to maneuver. The battery life is excellent, lasts for hours on a single charge. Number 2. ZiiLIF R3B Mobility Scooter. Discover the ZiiLIF R3B, a revolutionary mobility scooter designed for ultimate convenience. Experience freedom and independence like never before with this innovative device. Weighing just 37.5 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry and maneuver. Its lightweight construction ensures you can take it anywhere without a struggle. This electric-powered scooter folds down compactly, making it perfect for travel. It's airline approved, so your adventures don't have to stop at the gate. Enjoy a comfortable ride with thoughtful features like a built-in cup holder. Every detail is designed for your ease and enjoyment on the go. Specifically crafted for seniors and adults, it offers a stable and reliable four-wheel design. Regain your mobility and explore the world with confidence. Available in a sleek blue finish, this scooter doesn't just perform well, it looks great too. Travel in style and comfort with this exceptional mobility solution. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a four-wheel setup combined with a compact and foldable design. It's engineered for ease of use and portability, even including a handy cup holder for your beverages. If you're looking for a user-friendly, compact scooter for seniors that's also airline approved, this model is ideal. What people say. It's very lightweight and folds up easily for transport. The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Maneuverability is excellent, making it easy to navigate in tight spaces. Number 1. G Mobility Scooter 3-Wheel Folding. Experience ultimate freedom with this incredibly lightweight mobility scooter. Its innovative folding design makes it easy to take anywhere you go. Packing up is a breeze. With a simple folding mechanism, you can quickly collapse it for storage or transport, fitting easily into most car trunks. Enjoy a safe and stable ride thanks to its robust aluminum frame and anti-tip footrests. It's designed to support up to 275 pounds with confidence. Go further on a single charge with the included 48V2 Li-ion battery. Recharging is simple with the provided charger, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. This scooter is airline friendly, making it the perfect companion for your travels. Explore new places without limitations. Rediscover your independence and mobility. This scooter offers a comfortable and reliable way to navigate your world with ease. What we like. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to handle and transport, without compromising on durability. The inclusion of anti-tip footrests adds an extra layer of safety. If you're seeking a lightweight, safe, and budget-friendly option for everyday travel, this scooter is a smart choice. What people say. It is very lightweight and easy to fold and unfold. The scooter is very compact and fits easily into the trunk of my car. It handles well on different surfaces and is comfortable to ride. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.